Akio Shirikako is a graduate of Waseda University Literature Faculty. She holds a master's degree in screen and television from Loyola Marymount University, Los Angeles. In 2008, her novel Yuki no Hana won the third Yahoo Japan Literature Award. Along with her award-winning script, in 2009, she debuted with a bundle of short stories entitled Yuki no Hana. Akiyoshi Rikako is a novelist from Japan whose books have been published in Indonesia. The only publisher in Indonesia that published Akiyoshi Sensei's works is Haru Group. At first, Girls in the Dark was Akiyoshi Sensei's first novel to be published by Haru Group. This novel is quite well received by readers in Indonesia to become a bestseller to date. It is because of Indonesian readers' great enthusiasm that Haru Group continues to publish Akiyoshi Sensei's novels, followed by publishing her next works, such as novel entitled The Dead Return, Holy Mother, and The Burning Heat, which is the latest Akiyoshi Sensei's novel published by Haru Group at this time. Until now, there have been 9 novels by Akiyoshi Rikako which were translated and published by Haru Group in Indonesia. Akiyoshi Rikako's novels are quite popular among mystery thriller fans, especially for those who like novels that have a Japanese feel. Her novels also have an interesting characteristic because they take the topic of social events that often appear. She is also famous for unexpected plot twists. Yamisu is a subgenre of thriller in Japanese literature. Etymologically, Yamisu could mean something that makes the reader feel shudder. The term was popularized by the mystery fire critic Shimotsuki in 2006. Yamisu is a psychological thriller genre that highlights the dark sides of human nature. The perpetrators are usually not pure psychopaths, but just ordinary people who accidentally step on the gray zone, so it is possible that they are dragged into committing crimes. This Yamisu subgenre boomed since 2012 and has a lot of fans to this day. In addition, Akiyoshi Rikako is also quite famous for his very detailed reading style. You will really feel immersed into the story because the detailed ratings of atmosphere and place. This is also the attractions of Akiyoshi Sensei, because mystery novels won't be fun to read if the explanations are too frontal, right? As previously mentioned, Akiyoshi Rikako's work is quite famous for its mystery thriller stories with unexpected plot twists. For those who like mystery and thriller genres, her novels are highly recommended to be read. Exciting storylines with detailed narrations will continue to accompany you in a pounding heart reading until the last page. Aside than questioning storylines, the most interesting thing about Akiyoshi Rikako's novels is that she always puts social issues that often occur in society into the storyline. With her genius in compassing stories, Akiyoshi Sensei will invite readers to feel the sensation when we are faced with a social problem that currently exists in society. Akiyoshi Rikako's novels will not only satisfy our desire for a mysterious story, but also teach us many lessons that we are going to live in a dynamic society. Besides that, these novels by Akiyoshi Rikako also have some shortcomings. Because the novels are translated from Japanese, sometimes we lose the immersion because there are some words or vocabularies that cannot be rightly localized. Because Akiyoshi Sensei also likes to take special themes, the vocabulary sometimes seems heavy and unfamiliar in everyday life, so the novels are not quite recommended for younger readers. One of the recommended novels by Akiyoshi Rikako is Girls in the Dark. This novel tells about the case of the mysterious death of a high school student, and the close friends are rumored to be the main cause of the death. The main interesting point of this novel is that each character gets the opportunity to present a theory of their deceased friend, how and why their friend died, what happened at her last moments, and trying hard to prove that they all are innocent. Why are they all blaming each other? Was the perpetrator brave among them? The distribution of the plot is also neatly wrapped in one novel. The characterizations of each characters are also very strong and tense reader while reading the novel. Our next Akiyoshi Rikako's novel recommendation is Absolute Justice. This novel tells story of a woman named Takaki Noriko who always fights for the righteousness. Is this a story about a superhero who saved the world? Unfortunately, no. Instead of being loved, Takaki Noriko is actually hated by her friends. They think that Takaki Noriko is an inhuman, a monster that can hurt mankind anytime and anywhere. Why do they think like that? The truth she was fighting for was not wrong at all. But is there no room left for a heart that's broken? Righteousness is absolute. In this world, there are nothing more important than righteousness. That's what a Takaki Noriko thought. This novel has mixed plot that makes the readers know about each character backgrounds. The main character has a very strong character, so that readers will always feel her presence until the last page. Readers will be led to the fact that if your opponent is the truth, you will definitely not win. Also, if you like reading that trains your mind, this novel is highly recommended. Overall, Akiyoshi Rikako's novels never fail to make readers tense and feeling curious of the ending. From her novels, we're able to know humans' dark side that can appear to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. We can also learn not to fall into that dark side. Akiyoshi Rikako's writing style is quite unique and can be said to be one of the most famous writers in Japan. However, it cannot be generalized to be the descriptions of the overall Japanese novel writing style, because the art of writing cannot be the same to everyone, and the writing style will always change according to time and circumstance. That's what makes a writer unique. By having their own writing style, the writers will have their own way of stealing the hearts of the readers.